Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the different authentication apps that Newton supports. Before we dive into that, let's take a step back and talk about why authentication is important. In today's digital world, our personal information is more vulnerable than ever before. Hackers are constantly looking for ways to steal our data, and that's where authentication comes in. Authentication is the process of verifying that someone is who they say they are. It's like a digital handshake that proves your identity. There are a number of different ways to authenticate yourself, but one of the most popular methods is using an authenticator app. Authenticator apps generate time-based one-time passwords, TOPs, that you can use to log into your accounts. These TOPs are unique and change every 30 seconds, so they're very difficult for hackers to crack. So, what apps does Newton support for authentication? Well, there are a few different options. The most popular one is the Google Authenticator app. This app is available for both Android and iOS devices. Other popular options include Microsoft Authenticator, Authy, and LastPass Authenticator. These apps all work in a similar way. You just need to download the app, scan a QR code, and then enter the TOTP that is generated by the app. Using an authenticator app is a great way to add an extra layer of security to your Newton account. If you're concerned about the security of your data, I highly recommend that you enable two-factor authentication using an authenticator app. So, there you have it. That's all there is to know about the different authentication apps that Newton supports. I hope this information has been helpful. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.